Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we have brown eyeshadow tutorial for dark skin. This applies to any skin tone, but I did want to start a series trying to wear every color on my skin tone. So let's get started. So first we're going to take Fawn. This is what's already on my eyelid. First color we're going to take is from the Morphe 3502 palette, and this color is called Tan, and I'm just going to place this in the crease as my first transitional shade. Same palette, different colors. So this color is called In the Zone, which is a beautiful reddish brown, and that is going to be our second transitional shade. So we're going to apply that color right underneath Tan. Same palette, different colors. So this color is called Brunette, and this is going to be our all over lid color, and I'm just going to apply that on the whole entire mobile lid with a large shader brush. So now we're going to take the ABH Subculture palette and use this dark brown right here, which is called Rowdy. I wanted to go with a dark brown and not a black, so this is the color that I opted to use, and I'm just going to place that on the outer V. Back to the same Morphe palette, we're going to use this color right here called Universal. This is going to be our brow bone highlight as well as our inner tear duct color. So now we're going to line our eyes with a nude colored pencil. I'm just going to use this LA Girl Pro Primer in nude and just place it on the waterline. So I'm going to apply lashes off camera, and we're going to conceal and highlight with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and we'll just blend it out with the damp beauty blender. Per usual, we're going to go ahead and take the Ben Nye powders that I usually use, Topaz to highlight, and Sienna and Chestnut mix for all over face powder. And you know, I do this step every tutorial. I love these Ben Nye powders. They're very affordable and they blend in with your skin. Even if the powder look a little light, when you apply it, it blends in exactly with your skin tone. So now we're going back in with Rowdy and the colors that we have placed on the eyelid, and we're just going to go ahead and use those same colors on the lower lash line. So now for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous in Carbon Black. I'm just gonna blend in my my real lashes with my false lashes, and I'm also gonna apply to the my lower lashes. And that is what I'm doing right here. I'm doing my lower lashes off camera. And to highlight and contour, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome and the Black Radiance Foundation Powder in Deep Ebony. For the lips, I'm using the Black Radiance Matte Lip Color. It is number 5124. Do not know the name of it. And then on top of that, I'm going to apply a gloss because I usually wear matte lipsticks, but I wanted a glossy lip today. So yeah, we're just gonna hook the lips up real fast. Okay, so that is the finished look. Let me know what color you want me to do next. I already did yellow, and I will create a playlist so you can watch every single tutorial. So don't forget to put in the comment section what color you want to see next, because I cannot decide. Goodbye.